Welcome to News Cloud. You are watching COVID updates with Shatadru. The state is under lockdown till June 15th. We are dealing with the second wave of COVID-19 disease. But on a positive note, people are battling the disease and getting well. The recovery rate is increasing each day. Our reporters are all around the state updating us about the situations everywhere. Sham Bazaar has always been a busy part of the city. Our reporter Shondeep Shaha is reporting live from Sham Bazaar. Over to you, Shondeep.
Yes, Shatadru. Right now I can inform you that there are very few people on the streets. Most of them are wearing masks. The Shambhaza 5-point crossing is known to be one of the busiest parts of the city. Yet it feels as if it has been abandoned. There are no public transports on the road. People are mostly using their personal transport. The shops are open from 12 in the noon till 3 pm. And the sweet shops are opened until 5 in the evening, as per the government given time. Back to you, Shatadru.
Indeed, Shondeep, it is quite strange to see Sham Bazaar this empty, but it is also necessary to maintain the situation to fight the disease. Transportation is an important topic to discuss in this lockdown. Our reporter Akanksha Tiwari is in Agorpara. Akanksha, can you please update us about the situation of transports in Agorpara?
Yes, Shatadru, local trains are operating as per the protocols, but there are still people who are gathering on the platform without any genuine reasons. Local trains are only operating for the frontline workers, but there too we have people who are misusing the services. Cabs like Ola and Uber are operating. As per the protocols, the private cars, auto and taxis movement are to be restricted unless they are traveling to and from the hospital or the diagnostic centers. But people are not following the protocols at all. There can be seen a lot of private cars on the road for non-essentials also.
We request everyone to please stay indoors and not gather up in stations and other public places unnecessarily. This is for our own good. Markets and shops are also to abide by certain rules in this lockdown. Our reporter Shreya Shaw is reporting live from Behala. Shreya, can you please inform us about the situations of markets and shops in Behala?
Okay, Shatadru. In Behala, bazaars will remain open only from 7 to 10 am in the morning and 12 to 3 pm in the afternoon. The market is closed for 2 hours from 10 am to 12 noon. Emergency services and essential services like medical shops, medical equipment shops, grocery shop, etc. will remain open throughout the day. Notably, restaurants, cinema halls, shopping malls, bars, swimming pools, gyms, spas, saloons and beauty parlors will be closed until further notice.
Mass vaccination is going on all over the country. Our reporter Oishi Ghoshal is in one of the vaccination centers in Anandapur. Oishi, can you please inform us about the entire process?
So Shatadru, as you can see, this place has been moderately crowded. The club has basically arranged vaccination for their members and their extended families. Today, on their first day of vaccination, the club has helped 137 people to get jabbed and are now targeting for 500 more. The after effects of this vaccine is mild to high fever and muscle pain, which is completely normal in this scenario and there's nothing to worry about. Things are much better now, but I'll still request everyone to take the vaccination drive seriously and everyone should get vaccinated from their nearby certified vaccination centers as soon as possible. Over to you, Shatadru.
Everyone is suggested to take their dosage of vaccine as soon as possible. Our reporter Papri Das is reporting live from Goria Station. Papri, can you please tell us about how the people are doing in Goria Station?
Yes, Shatadru. So the situation at Goria station has comparatively improved from the last few weeks after the reported congestion in the road. We cannot say it's a great situation, but it's definitely a better one with less number of vehicles and mostly of them are delivery people. There are continuous supervisions from the Kolkata police and the Bengal police after every hour or 2 hours. The main time people are coming out of their houses during the evening and that too on their rooftop just to take a small walk because it is important to stay fit also this time. So this is how the people of Goria station are maintaining the lockdown protocols and staying fit at the same time.
Indeed, Papri, it is quite natural that people, especially children, are going to come out of the confinement of their houses once in a while in this situation. Banks are playing an important role in this lockdown too. Our reporter Onkita Sharkar is in Shiliguri right now. Onkita, will you please inform us about the situation of banks in Shiliguri?
Okay, Shatadu, right now I am outside of Canara Bank of Shiliguri, Hyderpara, and I am going to talk to Mr. Shoikat Bhuiya, who is the assistant manager of this bank.
Can you please tell me what is the condition of this bank right now and how people are maintaining the protocol?
Yes, actually, presently the situation is pretty dangerous. As you know, that the situation in our state as well as in our country is very much adverse. So, meeting that situation, we are presently advising the customer to maintain a social distance. As you can see that while you are standing, we have maintained the social distance here, and we are also advising the customer to sanitize their hand every now and then. So we have in our all the decks we have put the sanitizer for the customers, and in our branch premises everywhere you will see that we have written without mask inside the branch entry is prohibited. So this way we are advising, we are trying to sensitize the customer more about the current situation. And few of our customers are also those who are senior citizen. They are quite afraid to come into the branch because of the age, and you know that as the health ministry is advising all the time that for the elder generation this virus is very much dangerous. So we are trying to, as per the following the RBI norms, we are trying to give them doorstep banking service by providing withdrawal and deposits to their home as much as we can do. So we are trying as an nationalized bank, it is our responsibility to help all the people. So we are trying our best, and we are trying to sensitize the customer and showing the awareness to the customer. So that's what we are doing.
So right now we can see that the protocols are maintained very properly in this bank.
With that, we come to an end of today's COVID updates. Stay tuned to NewsCloud for more information. Thank you.